Good morning. The discommemoration of the heritage line continues. Tony, I've saved your refabrication, and Graham, I've saved yours. I've removed the majority of stuff. All this has been cleared, but these boards have also got to go. I'm now working over here. As you can see, I've started over here now. The points I save, the points I can save, I will save. But all other than that, it's going to be all new track. At the moment, I'm using my trusty see how easy it is. Still got to peel this off, right? But hey, that's life. Oh, Nick at number 3 has decided to fall down. I'm going to have to repaint all the boards. The roof the inner roof panels are coming off. I've got this one off, and now that's why I'm clearing up here to get this one off. As you can see, the water ingress was bad, but hey, it was my fault. I'm the one who suggested that we use corrugated roofing. I wanted to save Jan, my wife, a bit of money, but in the end it's cost me more. But it's coming off, slow but sure. Hopefully by the end of this week I'll be down here. I think them 2 panels have got to be changed. Right, I don't know how many subscribers I've got yet. I knew I'd got 8 when I checked the weekend, but when I get to 10, I'm going to do a mini competition for some unbuilt kits. Probably 2 or 3, probably 3, could even be 4, because the kits I've got, the kits I'm getting rid of are kits I'm not going to use. Alright, I'm just peeling this off here. Hang on, let's just take you over. See, just peeling that off. I'll put that in the bag in a bit. Put that over there, because it might be reusable. And that. And there you'll see another train line. A train line you've not seen before. Don't worry about the buckling nails, because I've been attacking down here. That should come off pretty easy. As I said when I was building the layout, where you could be seen, I was using this stuff, but where I couldn't, I'd got 2 rolls of that stuff. Which isn't the best, as you know, but hey, I'd already brought it, so I wasn't going to waste it. Right, it's time for me to get on. I want to say be finished down this section. Sorry about that. I'm going to be finished down this section by the weekend. go, you see. I actually think that's why I enjoyed using plaster of Paris. But I've got 2 bags of this, and I've got 2 bags of those down there to start again. Right, I'm going to let you into what I'm up to. Over there is going to be a bridge, obviously, because of the door. I'm only going to have a 6-inch line along there, coming around to Rowley station, which will be based on the Highley station, and then going around, staying 6-inch up there all the way along till I get to the top end. And I ain't going to tell you what I'm up to in the top end yet. That's going to be a surprise for you all. But as I say, I'm hoping to get the camera out of the cupboard. We bought it when we went to Florida, and we haven't really used it since, so touching wood, it will still be usable. And once I've done that, then as I'm filming the rebuilding, I shall be using hopefully be using the camera, so I can edit it instead of just running a straight through video. I can add bits and pieces, and I can try and make it a bit more professional. You never know though, do you? Right, I'm going to let you all go because it's now Wednesday morning, and so I want to get this lot finished by the weekend so I can then concentrate on that side. I shan't be removing these boards just yet because I'm using it to put stock on as I'm going along. And if anybody's interested, this here is my Midland Red Fleet. Then I've got 2 first, well, I've got a West Midlands, oh, that's a Midland Red Fleet as well. Now I've got 2 first buzz coaches. I've got a load of first buzzies and different coaches. But most of those cars there, where am I? That one is the one I use to represent Graham. That's one I'll use to represent Tony. Those are the wedding cars. Which I seem to be one missing. I'll see what I can find in a bit. So, that's a tractor from the farm, in the old farm, and I've got a new tractor somewhere, but I don't know where I've put that at the moment. I put it down there. New farm tractor. Nope, I'll put it somewhere. Anyway, I'll find it. I shall find it, I shall. And I shall continue discombobulating, or dismantling, or wrecking, or whatever. Now that has puzzled me. Where's that new tractor? Dent underneath there. Oh, there it is. There's the new tractor. Right, now as I say, 6-inch along here, along there, 6-inch, coming around to roughly 12-inch, then going back to 6-inch, all the way up to the top, and this is all the way up to the top as well. And then you'll see what I'm doing after. Oh, that's my other well, just started, but that's going to be my other enjoyment in the summer months. Sit on the deck at night and browse the stars. I've also got a mania for DVDs. Started off with videos, went to DVDs, but hey, that's another story. Right, I'm going. Enjoy your week, and I hope to put another video up the weekend. If I'm running a bit late, then it'll probably be early part of next week. Have fun, stay safe, and enjoy life. So, from me, Steve, to you all, bye, bye, bye.